What should you do if someone modifies your broad match PPC campaigns without explaining why? When it comes down to broad modify, you have just a bit of feedback on that because you are asking about broad match. Broad match is one of the ways how you can target when it comes down to your keywords. There is exact match, broad match, phrase match, and it can be also modified broad match. So what does that mean is that before the keyword itself, let's say my keyword is iPhone headphones, let's say. And then everything that is iPhone, I want to show off. I don't want to show off for Samsung, for any other brand. I want to show off for iPhone. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to add in front of iPhone, without any space between, I'm going to add a plus sign. So it's going to be plus and then iPhone. And that is going to allow Amazon to show you for broader search terms, but still all of them must contain iPhone. Let me know if that was your experience when it comes down to modified broad match. Hope that helps.